All right. That's about the 1,000th rep how gets done on that. It never gets boring. There's always something new there. Starting to wear these gloves. The exercise has turned into the ritual of requiring more equipment for safety. Hog gets going lower, the frame spreads wider. You better hold on, because what God has for us gets exciting. Thank you for stopping in the Hog Dungeons, where we keep it going, always working out, training for God, as you all do, with what God has for each one of you. Thank you again for stopping in to Hog Dungeons. Thank you.